Thyroid storm? Ano ito? Hindi lang hyper, this is emergency mode. Thyroid storm is not your usual hyperthyroidism flare. This is your body going from fast to out of control. Thyroid storm is a life-threatening complication of severe hyperthyroidism, where the body is flooded with too much thyroid hormones all at once, usually triggered when hyperthyroidism is untreated or poorly controlled. Think of it like this. Your system is already on fast forward. Then suddenly, someone or something hits max speed. This is where it gets scary. High fever, very fast heart rate, confusion, anxiety or delirium, sweating, dehydration, heart failure risk, nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. So what's really happening? Your thyroid hormones, T3 and T4, are overstimulating everything. The brain causes anxiety and confusion. Ang heart naman racing and overload. Body temperature overheating. Metabolism extreme breakdown. So your entire system is being pushed beyond safe limits. Hindi lahat ng hyperthyroidism umaabot dito. But this is what happens when the signals are ignored too long. Your thyroid is not the enemy. It is the alarm. So if may symptoms ka na ng hyper, like palpitations, weight loss, anxiety, or init ng katawan, that's your early whisper. Don't wait until it becomes a scream. Comment thyroid or message reset if you want a simple guided way to support your body before it escalates. This is Nurse Valaine saying, awareness is power and early action changes everything.